Hello and welcome. To best help you, no matter what your mental health concern is, the best treatments involve your whole person. So you want to be sure the help you receive is as comprehensive as possible and isn't just throwing medicines at you. Now, medicines have an important role to play in your care, but they are by no means the only way to help you. So here are ways to think about your care and how we want to help you as a whole person. Let's use depression as an example. Now, just like there are several roads to get to the center of town, there are at least 7 different pathways that can lead to depression. Medicine only treats one of them. And that may be why you haven't been helped by standard antidepressant medications. The other 6 pathways haven't been addressed. And it may be that you only need help with one more of the 7, maybe 2 or 3. You'll receive help with all 7 in my practice. Now, when these approaches are combined with the game-changing and revolutionary treatment called TMS, there is a powerful synergy that results in far better results in the treatment of depression than when we use any of these treatments alone. The combination of TMS with these other 6 levels of care provides a powerhouse of support and healing for a stressed brain in the treatment of depression. Now, these 7 levels of care that we treat are: number 1, the health of your nerve cells. Now, this is the stage that involves the inside of your nerve cells. People with problems at this stage of brain health often have problems with their energy levels. They tire easily, they can't stay focused for long, and have trouble organizing their thinking, for example. Now, stress, side effects from medications, illness, exhaustion, poor sleep, toxic chemicals, and a host of other factors can affect the health of your brain cells, just like they affect the other cells of your body. Now, most doctors and nearly all psychiatrists completely ignore this critically important aspect of your mental health. The health of your brain cells is the foundation of your mental health. There are a number of ways to help your brain cells. Scientifically proven supplements are one of them. The second level of care involves how the cells of your brain talk to each other. This is the level of the more traditional forms of depression and is best treated with medication. The third level of care for the brain is making sure the other organs of your body are not harming your brain. When we are healthy, there's a wonderful harmony between all the organs of the body. So each organ affects the other organs for good or bad. Problems with just about any organ system can affect the brain and look like depression. We want to make sure that your entire system is healthy and that a medical problem isn't causing or worsening your depression. We'll be sure to test for this under my care. The fourth level of care is the truly fascinating and revolutionary field of neuromodulation, and TMS in particular is the king of neuromodulation. This is where we help the brain circuits, the neural networks of your brain, to be as healthy as possible. There's a lot of information about TMS on this site that explains this breakthrough treatment in more detail. TMS opens up brain circuits that depression has closed to allow you to think more than depressed and hopeless thoughts and feel more than depressed and hopeless feelings. Years ago, I spoke with the researcher at NASA who was conducting the studies on how TMS is unleashing new potential and optimum performance in our astronauts. It's a truly revolutionary time, and you can benefit from it. TMS all alone has revolutionized the treatment of depression. Those whom medications have not helped can finally get relief and a new chance at a happy life. Combined with these 6 other modalities, things that seemed impossible before can happen. The 5th level involves habits of thinking, feeling, and behavior that create and sustain depression. This is the arena where good therapy comes into play. And I provide versions of therapy during the TMS treatment and also work with the finest therapists in the area to provide you with the optimal psychotherapeutic care. The 6th level of care has to do with your relationships. I've had patients who have completely changed the quality of their relationships after treatment. This is one of the most important arenas of your life. Having healthy relationships is where we gain some of the best from our life. 7th is how you relate to the world at large in work, play, community involvement. Your goals and purpose in life are all part of the 7th level. Now, the resilience work I developed for the city of New York after 9/11 at the request of the mayor's office forms the basis of the 6th and 7th levels that I offer. Click on the helper below if you have questions. Then give me a call for a free consultation, and let's get started to help you rebuild a realistic hope again and bring out your best self. It's your turn to feel joy and have a chance at a full life. I look forward to talking to you soon.